bagong misis ng ating bagong misis ang bouquet. While the music will play, parang it's a trip to Jerusalem. Parang something like that. You give the bouquet to the next to you. Let's tease. Let's have a tease later. Okay, you can play it now. Okay, let's have. Then you are going to dance. Okay, bigay ng bouquet, ma'am. Ibigay. Ipaikot. You can dance. Okay, let's have it. Oh, at least they can have a long exposure. It's really the lady who have it. Okay? Okay, siya ang una nating kukunin. Thank you so much, ladies. Okay, some of them will skip. Yan na sila. Paikutin din natin. Meron lang yung nakatanggap. Thank you so much. That's it. Okay. Make a... Where is the dog? Go for. Ikip it. Okay. Then, yung pasit, walang eskapuhan to, ha? Ang makakatanggap siya ang makakapares ng ating bridesmaid. Okay, paikot, paikot. Paikot. You can dance if you wish. I'm sorry. Sa'yo, sir. Okay, siya talaga ang nababagay. Okay, picture, Victoria sa little, yung nanalong girl with Newlywed. It's higher. Higher down. Higher. 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 Okay, higher pa. The girl is not really complete. Higher down. Higher. The girl is not complete. He's afraid. Takot siya. Higher down. She's good. The girl is very calm. Okay, congratulations. Wala pa, okay pa sir? There's still another game. Hindi nga ni sir through his mouth, ano din ang gagawin mo sa kanya. We're going to take it, the icing marker. It could be, ano po masasabi na?
Thank you.
Sir, you can speak in your own language. Thank you. Okay, at least, palampakan natin. He can now speak and you can understand his language. Thank you. Let's find out what is the content. What is the content of this small gift? Because you have small and big, or the smallest and the biggest. Okay, the first gift contains, binalo pa talaga. It's very safe. Hindi po yan sasabog. Okay, beautiful. Graces. That's the stages of the different blessings picture. Now, the biggest one, let's read, sir. Kasi, ano daw yan siya? That is blessings. I think we need, what is this? Is it? Let's find out. A pillow, I think. Yes.
Okay.
That's really good. Okay.
No, sir. No, sir.
To the newlywed couple, a pillow.
Okay, ready, 1,